wonderful world. But scary things can happen, and where and when they do, Roy will be there for you. When we need him, he's always around to keep us smart, safe, and sound. When the flames and dangers are near, I know that there's no need to fear. Roy will appear. We are learning fire safety from a super awesome teacher. He's strong and he's courageous, and he'll teach us all to be safer. Together we are learning what to do if something's burning. We are learning fire safety. Roy wants us to be safe as we can be.
A scary earthquake.
Where did my seeds get to? Oh no! What on earth was that?
I'm so excited for the new Super Dragon action figure release! Yahoo! Peter! Wait up! Is it here? The new Super Dragon action figure?
Yep, here it is.
Wow! The brand new limited edition Super Dragon with windshield wipers! It's so awesome! I want one!
One moment, I'll be right back.
Okay. This guy could totally beat Dino King! Ha ha! Easy! An earthquake? Really?
It was! Everything just shook!
Earthquakes can be a big deal. Huh? What's this? Ah! Ah! Oh no! Oh wow! What's happening?
Kids!
Peter, this way! Hey, are you all right? Yeah, I'm okay. You? Yeah, I'm all right. But what happened? Huh?
Peter! Johnny!
Huh? There's somebody over there! Mister! Hello, somebody help us!
I'm glad you're okay. Just hang on. I'll call the rescue squad. Right, you're good to go.
Thank you so much, Roy.
We're glad it wasn't worse. Grandpa!
I'm fine.
Oh?
Roy, something happened. Peter and Johnny are trapped in the toy store.
Oh.
Get there as soon as you can.
Got it. Amber, can you take care of this?
I got this.
My.
How come it's not moving? Just keep trying.
Hey, are we gonna be stuck here for the rest of our lives?
What? No way. Probably.
Huh?
Huh? Johnny, check it out! Super Dragon Man is protecting us! Super Dragon! Super Dragon, save us! No way! Just hang on! Huh?
You okay?
Roy! Johnny, we're gonna live! I'm so happy!
Earthquakes are natural disasters that happen in certain areas. So now, let's go over what to do in an earthquake. In an earthquake, the ground shakes and buildings can get damaged. Don't try to run outside as fast as possible. Instead, hide under a desk or table. If there is no desk or table, run to the wall with your back against it and protect your head with cushions or blankets. If there's building damage, a door might not open. Open the doors right when the earthquake starts to avoid getting stuck. If you're outside, stay away from things that could fall over. Find a more open area. All good, you guys?
Yeah. So, earthquakes are really bad.
The ground moves and everything's shaking and stuff.
And we saw the entire thing.
Earthquake! That wasn't funny!
Yeah, earthquakes are scary.